Done already?
Where's Renesmee?
Blondie stole her.
Break a lot of stuff?
Emmett? Is that Charlie?
He's been calling twice a day. He's in pretty rough shape. Eventually we'll have to tell him you didn't make it. He needs to mourn, Bella.
Okay, we'll do it tomorrow.
You miss this place.
We'll come back. We always do. Wait. Nobody said anything about leaving. Once people believe Bella's dead, we can't risk anyone seeing her. So you just disappear? Jacob, we don't have another choice.
Hey, you heard anything?
Charlie? Bella's...
No, she's not.
No. I mean, she's fine. She's back home, and she's feeling better.
Why didn't you say so? It's great.
Wait. There's something you need to see first.
I need to see Bella.
Look. In order for Bella to get better, she had to... change.
What do you mean, change?
Here goes nothing.
What the hell are you doing?
You don't live in the world you think you do.
Jacob, put your clothes on.
Now, this may seem strange. Really strange. But... stranger things happen every day. Trust me. I solved a problem. You were leaving. What'd you expect me to do?
You don't realize the danger you've put him in. The Volturi will kill anyone who knows about us.
No, I didn't tell him about you. Just me. I only said you were different.
That we have a niece who we adopted.
I mean, seriously, Jake, he's not just gonna let that go.
Did you consider the physical pain you'll put Bella through? It'll be like sticking a white-hot branding iron down her throat, and that's assuming she can control her thirst.
Look, Charlie's been in hell, and I know you'll be much happier with him in your life.
Jacob, don't try and pretend you're doing this for anyone but yourself.
Sorry you feel that way, because he'll be here in 10 minutes.
What?